wondered how to build an AI project that actually gets noticed by Google, OpenAI, or top startups? Not just a chatbot or recycled homework. Today I'm going to walk you through 10 AI project ideas for 2026 that are practical, futuristic, and portfolio ready. I'll tell you exactly which models, framework, and datasets to use so that you can start coding immediately. Now, before we jump into, hit that like button, share, and subscribe because keeping up with future-proof AI projects is going to give you a massive edge. Let's start with the AI Shopping Buddy. This project acts like a personal stylist and interior designer. Users upload photos of their room, outfit, or even face, and the AI suggests products that match color, style, and preferences. This isn't just about throwing recommendations at someone. It's about computer vision to understand images, generative AI to create style suggestions, and recommendation algorithms to find the perfect products. Personalized recommendation systems drive massive engagement and conversions, which is why companies like Amazon, Flipkart, Myntra, or Urban Ladder would be thrilled to hit someone who can build this. Completing a project like this demonstrates skills in deep learning, computer vision, generative AI, and full-stack deployment for web or mobile app. While shopping and lifestyle AI is exciting, the next project takes up to our health and wellness. The Smart Health Analyzer predicts stress, burnout, or sleep issues by analyzing voice, facial microexpressions, and wearable data. It uses multimodal AI that integrates time series analysis for wearable data, NLP for voice and text, and computer vision for micro-expressions. Health tech startups in India and globally like Healthify, CureFit, Fitbit, and Apple Health are looking for engineers who can make predictive wellness tools. Building this project demonstrates your ability to work with multi-modal AI, pre-process complex datasets, train models, and visualize results. Moving from personal health to professional efficiency, the AI productivity agent automates your daily workflow. It reads emails, scans your calendar, understands priorities, and builds an optimized schedule. It uses NLP to parse emails, API integration with other tools like Gmail, Slack, and Notion, and optimization algorithms to prioritize tasks efficiently. Productivity loss is a major issue for companies, which is why tech giants like Google Workspace, Microsoft 365, and startups in workflow automation would be very interested in this project. It is a great way to demonstrate automation, NLP, API integration, and practical problem-solving skills. Taking automation to the next level, the voice-to-action system allows users to speak commands and have the AI perform multi-step action such as booking flights, organizing files, or generating reports. It relies on speech-to-text models, intent classification using NLP, and task automation pipelines. You can train intent classification models using dataset into the SNPs NLU dataset. This project builds directly on productivity AI and is exactly the kind of work that Amazon, OpenAI, or Apple would notice for voice-driven automation solutions. Once we have automated tasks, why not explore creativity? Generative AI StoryMaker allows you to create full stories including scripts, characters, and visuals based on just a few keywords. Now it uses large language models for text generation and image generation models like Stable Diffusion, DALL-E 3 for visuals, and you can also train fine-tuned models on datasets like CMU Book Summary Corpus on writing prompts. Text-to-speech libraries such as Coqui TTS or GTTS can add narration. Media companies like Netflix, Ubisoft, and Adobe are actively investing in generative AI, and a project like this would definitely stand out. Building on the idea of multiple AI capabilities working together, the Multi-Agent AI Team project introduces collaboration between AI agents. Multiple AI agents are assigned specialized roles such as researching, writing, critiquing, and summarizing. They communicate and coordinate to complete complex tasks using multi-agent reinforcement learning and communication protocols. Enterprise AI and automation platforms are investing heavily in this approach, and companies like Anthropic, OpenAI, AI workflow startups are actively seeking engineers who can build collaborative AI systems. From collaboration to observation, the AI body language reader analyzes micro-expressions, tone of voice, and posture to provide feedback on communication skills. It can be applied in interviews, public speaking, or remote coaching. Computer vision tools such as OpenPose or MediaPipe Pose track gestures and posture, while audio processing libraries such as Librosa analyze tone. Models can be trained using datasets like RavDes for audio and CK Plus for facial expressions. HR tech companies like Highview, Pymetrics, and AI coaching startups would highly value this type of project as it helps bridge human behavior and AI analysis. Now, education is also another area being transformed by AI. The personalized tutor with adaptive difficulty creates an AI tutor that adjusts lessons in real time based on student performance. Knowledge tracing models like deep knowledge tracing combined with transformers for content generation allow the AI to adapt to each learner. Data sets such as assessments or EdNet can be used for training. Now, this AI can generate new questions, explanations, and motivational feedback based on learning pace. Companies like Byju's, Vedantu, Coursera, and Udemy are constantly looking for talent that can build adaptive learning platforms. Next, we move into research augmentation with the autonomous research agent. This AI can answer research questions by reading academic papers, extracting insights, summarizing information, and citing sources automatically. It uses the S2Org dataset for academic papers, Scibot for scientific text embeddings, and Hugging Face transformers or LangChain for reasoning and summarization. Citation extraction can be done with NLP parsers or regex academic platforms. AI labs and companies like Google Research, OpenAI, ResearchGate, and Elsevier would hire engineers who can build this system. This project connects perfectly with education-focused AI, extending learning into automated research capabilities. Finally, we arrive at real-world robotics control with the AI, the ultimate demonstration of cutting-edge skill. This project trains AI to control robotic arms or humanoids based on goals rather than just rigid instructions. It uses PyBullet or VBots for simulation, Stable Baseline 3 or RLib for reinforcement learning, and OpenCV or MediaPipe for vision input. Sim to real transfer techniques bring simulations into real-world scenarios. Robotics companies like Boston Dynamics, Apptronik, Amazon Robotics, and Agibot are seeking engineers capable of end-to-end AI-driven robotic systems. After exploring software-based AI projects, robotics is the next step to show mastery of AI applied in the physical world. These 10 AI projects are more than just ideas. They are a step-by-step career blueprint for 2026. Building even one of these projects properly will make your portfolio stand out globally, impress recruiters, and also show that you can solve real-world problems with cutting-edge AI. So guys, like, share, and subscribe if this guide helped you, and leave a comment telling me which project you will start building first. I will share tips on creating the first MVP for your chosen project. Remember, the future is built by those who create. Start building today.